जयताज्जगन्नाथः 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 नीलाद्रौ शङ्खमध्ये शतदलकमले रत्नसिंहासनस्थं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तं नवघनरुचिरं सन्दृशं चाग्रजेन भद्रायः वामभागे रथचरणयुतं ब्रह्मरुद्रेन्द्रवन्द्यं वेदानां सारमीशं स्वजनपरिवृतं ब्रह्मदारुं भजेऽहम् अद्य पवित्रायाम् आषाढशुक्लद्वितीयायां तिथौ पुण्ये मुहूर्ते अखिलांडकोटि ब्रह्मांड नायकस्य कलियुग प्रत्यक्ष दैवतस्य महाप्रभो श्री नीलाद्रिनाथस्य श्री जगन्नाथस्य विश्वप्रसिद्धायाः रथयात्रायाः संस्कृत भाषया साक्षात् धारा विवरणी प्रदानावसरे भारत सर्वकारस्य सूचना प्रसारण मंत्रालयस्य प्रसार भारत्याः तथा ओडिशा राज्य राजधानी स्थित भुवनेश्वर दूरदर्शन केन्द्र पक्षतश्च विश्वेस्मिन् विश्वे अगणित दूरदर्शन दर्शक बंधूनां श्री जगन्नाथ संस्कृतौ श्रद्धावतां तत्र भवताम् आबाल वृद्ध वनिता जनानां श्री जगन्नाथ भक्तानां स्वागताभिनन्दनं सर्वथा अभिवन्दनं च सविनयं विज्ञापयामः। भक्तबान्धवाः भवन्तः अवलोकयन्ति सम्प्रति महाप्रभोः श्री नीलाद्रिनाथस्य रथयात्रायां चाहाणी मंडप इति स्थाने श्रीमन्दिरे तत्र रथ प्रतिष्ठा कार्यं कर्तुं सर्वे सेवकाः व्याकुलिताः सन्ति। श्रीमन्दिरपुरोहिताः ब्राह्मणाः दैवज्ञाः सर्वे तत्र प्रस्तुताः वर्तन्ते। अचिरादेव रथ प्रतिष्ठा कार्यं भविष्यति इति सर्वे तत्पराः सन्ति। एवं च केन्द्र सर्वकारस्य प्रसार भारत्याश्च वरेण्यानां पदाधिकारिणां भुवनेश्वर दूरदर्शन केन्द्रस्य सततं कर्मकर्तानां कर्मचारिणां च ओडिशा सर्वकारस्य एवं च जिल्ला प्रशासनस्य प्रोत्साहनं दृश्यते। वयं पश्यामः जगज्जननी भगवती महालक्ष्मी तोरणलक्ष्मी इति कथ्यते सदा शङ्ख क्षेत्रे ललित।
This is how Lord is being moved inside the inner precincts or into the main canopy, or we can say that to be the sanctum of the chariot. The Lord has just stepped onto the floor of the chariot, and the chariot has been decorated beautifully, and for the last many years we have been witnessing the more of floral decoration is being done. And the same way the chariot, when that would be returning to the main temple, this is the outward journey, and when the inward journey the chariots are kept ready, the same type of floral decorations would be there. That is done courtesy of the temple administration. It doesn't require any servitor or any designated person from any mutt or monasteries to do that. This is done courtesy temple administration, because temple administration is responsible to oversee that everything goes smoothly, beautifully and suitable to the magnificence of the Lords. This is how it happens, and Lord would be there, and it is a beautiful sight to be seen when the torso of the Lord would be just given a twist so that the Lord would face towards south. Now the Lord is facing inside, and the Lord will be facing to the front of the chariot, and that movement is a particular moment when the devotees they get ecstatic at the view of meeting with the large eyes of Lord Jagannatha. This is how the Lord is being taken, because this part is little difficult because this place is small, the width is less, and Lord has to get inside. And this is how it is being done. And after that, when the Lords are first there, now tethering will be there, the Rundha that will be done, and after that the other rituals would be covered. And the other highlighted ritual would be the Chera Pahara, or the holy sweeping ritual that would be conducted by none other than the Gajapati Maharaja himself. And in the absence of Gajapati Maharaja himself, there is the other designated person. He is also a young boy. He is put into the service, and this is how the Lord is getting into the chariot. It is a beautiful moment. It's a moment to be experienced. It is a moment to be not just seen. It is a moment to be felt. That is how there is a crowd, and the senior servitors of the Itapati order, they are all around the Lord, so that nothing untoward happens and everything gets smoothly and comfortably. This is how it happens. Senior servitors, they are overseeing, and they are also engaging the younger servitors, the younger Daitapatis, to be in the training, because without training, without the motivation, nothing can be possible. And this is the chariot of Lord Jagannatha.
हरणे मुरली सिर पर सिटी पुच्छ कटी कटे पीताम्बर